Okay. Yeah. Okay. um we wanted to see the other calculations, like we were talking about. Yeah, the other calculations we were talking about. We said, when now I'm going to go slowly on this video so that you understand everything. Yeah, we said, when you want to use 1000 capital, 1000 capital, you can go about it in two ways. There is the one we say, you start with the big amount, let me say $500. Then the remaining $500, you put them in margin calls. Okay, so let us start with that one. We said, just you need to go on your calculator here. You need to go on your calculator, and you'll be like 1000 USDT. 1000. Now 1000 already, we said in first buying amount we're going to use 500, so we'll minus 500, so we are remaining with $500. Now only this $500 is the one we need to put in margin calls, and I said it's you to decide how much do you want each call to buy. Like on the other incident, you said each call you wanted to buy with $25, so you will divide that 500 with 25, meaning you have got 20, that this money can buy 20 times, can buy 25 times if you buy with 25, meaning that we can use these times as our margin calls. Okay, we can use these times as our margin calls, so meaning we're going to set each margin call to be buying with $20. Let's try to put it in work here. So like this trade, if we are to create it, we go to trade settings as usual, manual create. Then we said here we're going to start with $500. These ones I will not set it because you know. Then here 20 margin calls, number of margin calls 20. Take profit. This here you understand everything, I will not go there. Then we go to our margin calls here, margin call configuration. All right, so margin call configuration, this is where we said we want to buy each call with $25. How do you buy with 25? Remember, your first buying amount is 500, so 500 has to multiply with the digit which is here, but each digit you put here, when it multiplied by 500, it has to be giving you 25. How do you do it? So we're going to look for this digit. We are here in multiple buying ratio side, so we want to look for that digit that when you multiply it with the 500, you get 25. So that's what we said. So we went that 500 times the digit you want, 0.1, that is 50. Okay, now we go 0.05, that is 25. So this is the digit we wanted. This is the digit that wanted. That's how we get the digit. So you go back, you put 0.05, sorry, 0.05, 0.05, all the areas we put 0.05. okay, meaning all this area we put 0.05. all right, so 0.05 we put in all this area. Okay, so that is how we do it, 0.05. then this area, that's how you get each one to buy with 20, each one to buy with 25. We keep putting 0.05, 0.05, then that one is done. Now this one, since you have put in more capital in the first buying amount, now you don't want this one to buy so fast, 0.2, no, you don't want it to buy so fast. So this one you will only put starting at least whenever the market drops by 1%. So by the time you finish all the 20 calls down, it means you have a call drop of 20%. You will have a call drop of 20%. Okay, so here you will only put 1 up to down. So that one is done. That is how we get the calculation for the buy big, and then the other capital goes in small or goes in slowly. Okay, that is one strategy done and dusted. Now I'm going to show you another strategy here, slowly. There's another strategy whereby you start small. You have $1,000, but this $1,000 you want to buy with $10 in each call. $10 in each call. You want to start with $10 as your first buying amount. Still, you'll go to the calculator. Cool. Still, you go to the calculator. You put this $1,000, then you will divide it by the one you want to buy with $10. Okay, so $10, meaning that your robot, to finish your $1,000, it has to buy 100 times. All right, 100 times. So you can use this one as number of margin calls. Okay, then we go to our setting. We say our first buying amount is 10. And then our number of margin call, we change it to 100. The rest here, you know. So how do you set this 100 inside? Now we are going there. So margin call configuration here, we go. So we have 100 margin calls. Okay, now since we are going to buy with $10 already, here we are having $10. So 10 times which number should we times with 10 to get $10? Which number can we times with 10 to get $10 here? Which number can we times with 10 to get $10? The number is 1. So you will put 1, 10 times 1, 10, 10 times 1, 10, 10 times 1, it is 10. Okay, so meaning here you will be buying with $10. All right, so that is done. $10, that is done. Now we need to now also configure our drop. Remember, we are having 100 margin calls here, 100 margin calls, but we want to use a drop of like 25 that because it is hard for the coin, according to the way we are buying, according to the way we take our trades. It's hard for the coin to drop 100%. At least the more it can drop is 30, the more. So what we do, you have to look for a number which we put here, that when you will multiply all of them by 100, it will be giving you like 25 drop. It will be equal to 25. So again, here we said already finish 1. Then with this side we go to calculator. We said our drop we need is 25. Okay, so you will divide 25 by number of margin calls. Drop 25 by number of margin calls, meaning each margin call, the drop will be 0.25. Each margin call, the drop will be 0.25. Each margin call, the drop will be 0.25. Okay, so you'll come here, you put 0.25. Okay, 0.2.25. sorry, what am I writing? 25. Yeah, so you keep on writing 0.25 up to down, 25 up to down, 25 up to down. So this one will be buying more quick, buy and sell more quick than the other first strategy. But this is how you can go about configuring these margin calls in both strategy. There are two strategies. One you start with big capital, another one you start with small capital. Okay, thank you.